Hello, it's Elliot from Kent Estate Agencies, and today we are in Island Wall in Whitstable taking a look at number 39. Now this is a charming period cottage, of course located only a few short moments away from the seafront, and you are smack bang in the centre of the town here. Now with this property you're going to get a lot of character on offer, and it's a very quirky property that gives you a really unique outlook on what can be offered here in Whitstable. Now coming straight through into the kitchen and dining space here off of the garden there at the rear, you can see that we've got really nice amounts of light coming through from the light tunnels there on the left hand side, and coming through into the hallway we're going to go upstairs now and take a look at the bedrooms. Now coming upstairs here, straight ahead of us there, you can see the first of a few bedrooms upstairs. Now in these bedrooms here you've got plenty of storage, and you've got room for the double bed as well. So taking a look at the first bedroom now, we'll go through and take a look at the bathroom next before going through and taking a look at a further two bedrooms. So next up we'll go through to the bathroom, take a look at what we have then straight ahead of us there. So you can see nice modern finish with the loo and the bath and the sink unit there as well, and of course again plenty of light coming through from the window at the rear there. So let's go through next and take a look at another bedroom before heading upstairs and taking a look at the last of the three bedrooms in the property here. You can see again really nice sized room, very charming as well, with plenty of room there for the bed at the end, with plenty of storage as well. Now as we go up to the top level of the property, you'll notice that we do have the sea view there from the top just across the road from Island Wall, and going back to the significance of the location here, you are smack bang in the centre of Whitstable, so easy access onto the high street, to the array of shops that we've got there, and then of course onto the seafront right across the road, so really fantastic location. So here we are upstairs on the top level of the property, where of course you've got the third bedroom with that wonderful view just overlooking through the buildings there and across to the seafront. So we're going to go back downstairs now, go through the lounge, take a look at what we have there before starting to recap today's viewing. So here we are back on the ground level, and we're in the lounge. Now you can see there you've got those wood beams on the ceiling, really nice quirky windows there as well, and that wonderful charming character that you'd expect from this type of cottage found right in the middle of Whitstable. So just coming out and through into the front garden here, you've just got the steps ahead of you which lead you out onto Island Wall, and just take a moment now to look back at the property, and there you go, it's really wonderful, nice and charming with that really sort of character feel to it as well. You can see that open window there at the top, that's where we were a little bit earlier on in the tour, with the view overlooking the front there. So I really do hope that you've enjoyed taking a look at the property with us today. No doubt you have plenty of questions for us, and also don't forget, if you like the way that we're presenting our properties in these video tours, why not give us a call today to book your own free valuation.